Have you been hit with the annoying subscription required message just when you needed to edit a Word document? Or struggle with a pirated version of Excel that keeps crashing? Well, you are not alone. Many of us are looking for a way to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free without any compromises. That is where WPS comes in. A smarter, cost-free alternative that gives you all the tools you need without the headaches of the price tag. It is perfect for students, professionals, and entrepreneurs who need a powerful productivity tool across multiple platforms. Whether you are working on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, or iOS, WPS Office has got you covered. Stay tuned to find out why switching to WPS Office is a game changer. WPS Doc, your free alternative to Word. Now let's start with WPS Writer, the perfect alternative to Microsoft Word. It's not just free but also packed with distinctive features like the ability to edit PDF directly, making it a versatile choice for all your document needs. You can seamlessly work with Docs files, use rich formatting options, and even collaborate in real time without any compatibility issue. Now picture this, you are editing a document whilst your colleague is making changes at the same time. No need for costly subscriptions to make teamwork flow effortlessly. It also has an icon and chat library that can help you create eye-catching documents. In fact, you can even record everything you do in WPS Writer and turn it into a tutorial video. WPS Spreadsheet, smarter than Excel. Tired of dealing with Excel's complicated features and pricing? WPS Spreadsheet has covered you with easy-to-use formulas, pivot tables, and interactive charts that help you understand your data quickly. And yes, it's fully compatible with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. You can easily switch between them without losing data or formatting. From budgeting for a household to analyzing large data sets, WPS Spreadsheet makes handling data a breeze, all without spending a single cent. It also has form builder control like checkbox, option button, combo box, and scroll bar to help you build forms in your spreadsheet. WPS Spreadsheet comes with a unique smart toolbox that can help you manage duplicate content or merge two or more sheets or workbook into one. Impressive, right? WPS Slide, present without paying. If you are looking to create engaging presentations without breaking the bank, WPS Presentation has everything you need. Enjoy a variety of professional templates, multimedia support, and dynamic transitions like fade or page care to make your slides stand out. Plus, it's fully compatible with PowerPoint, so sharing your slides across platforms is effortless. Forget about constantly adjusting formatting. WPS Presentation keeps your content looking great everywhere. WPS PDF, a full PDF suite for free. Need a reliable PDF tool without paying for extra software? WPS Office built-in PDF editor lets you view, edit, merge, and convert PDF seamlessly. Protect your document with password, encryption, or sign them digitally for a polished professional look. It's a complete PDF solution minus the cost. Whether it's filling out forms or editing contracts, WPS PDF has all the capabilities you need. Premium features, the next level with WPS AI. And if you are looking for even more power, check out WPS Office Premium. It comes with advanced tools like WPS AI, which provides intelligent recommendation for document formatting, making it even easier to create polished content. It can also help complex problems, automate repetitive tasks, and makes writing or data analysis smoother. For a small fee, you can unlock extra cloud storage, advanced templates, and add free experience. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants to boost their productivity even further. So why keep paying for Office software when WPS gives you everything for free? Download WPS Office today and start working smarter. Link in the description below. It's time to leave subscription fee behind and join the millions who are already enjoying the smarter way to work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel And don't forget to share this video to help others know about WPS. See you.